I am not going to the fabulous newly renovated Bone Center. I, serious scholar that I am going to Milner Library, which is this way. Okay, that doesn't suggest there's something very special behind here, but it's the library, so I know there's something special behind here for me. Come on in. Yeah, okay, we gotta fix this. We really gotta fix this. So we're going to. And behind here, I know I'm fascinating, but look in there. Yes, is a great big space we're going to make our Student Success Center. We're still working on plans. Here's the first draft of the plans for Zoom. Secret. This is where our Student Success Center is going to be. Not sure yet whether the entrance will be right here, whether we'll have one closer to the bone over there, or whether there'll be two of them, or whether we'll just, have a hole in the ceiling where people will jump down like bath holes. But 20,000 square feet for you students and your success. And if anyone would like to make a contribution to this effort, we need it. We'll take it.